This video will show you how to offer special discount to a guest. Hotelogix lets you easily apply special discount to a reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you wish to offer special discount. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make changes. Click the Apply Special Discount link, which is now activated in the Rates or Packages section. The Apply Special Discount dialog box opens. Click the Discount drop-down arrow to view the various discounts available. Select the eligible special discount. Now, select the required document type along with relevant ID number in requirement to apply the discount. Click Done. Click OK to confirm. Please note, applying special discount will remove all previous discounts. Special discounts can be given any time before the room night is posted. The system applies the discount and updates the reservation amount under the Rates Packages section. Click Save. This brings us to the end of the video on how to offer special discount to a guest.